In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Drawboard PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the right-hand side where you have this Tools toolbar, you want to go ahead and select this Text Select tool. If you don't see it, click on this plus icon, go ahead and go into Select, and then from here you can select Text Select, and then of course you'll be able to see it over here. So when you click on that, you'll be able to, select the text you want to edit. So for example, if I select all this, as you can see, it's going to pop up a bunch of different options down here at the bottom. Now, to edit this text, of course, I can copy it. I can use Drawboard AI to actually translate this. I could fix grammar. I can shorten it, lengthen it, rephrase it, summarize it, or see definitions. So, for example, if I do rephrase over here, it's going to start generating, and as you can see here, it's going to basically give you this result. Now, of course, you also have different options here as well. You have like highlights. So, for example, this one over here, you can go ahead and basically select it again. And then if you do this here, it's going to basically remove everything in case you've done some edits from the text. Here you could go ahead and add on like an underline. You also have the option to add like a strike through here. There we go. And then you also have this option here, which basically will do a wavy underline. Now, of course, there's a bunch of different things you can do. However, if you wanted to just actually edit your text, so for example, physically edit this, you can't actually do this. You can only, of course, modify it like that, like I showed you on the screen right now. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.